Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul and meal plan video for this week. I'm going to share with you all the groceries that I picked up from my Walmart grocery pickup. And I'm also going to share with you my meal plan that I have written down. And I love to remind you guys that I do all of my meal planning and I always shop my refrigerator, my freezer, and my pantry before I make our weekly meal plan. And it really helps I try and stay under $200 per week on our grocery budget. And this week I was under at $199, right there at $200. But we have everything that we need for the week all planned out, ready to go. And I'm making sure we're not wasting any food that we already have in our pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. So let me share with you everything that we got for the week for me and my husband and my two boys, breakfast, lunch, and dinners. And then also I'll share with you our dinner plan as well. So let's show you to it. Okay, so here are all of the groceries. I got a lot of stuff this week for $199. So we are totally stocked up. And then I'll share with you our meal plan as soon as I share with you all these groceries. So I got 2 boxes of this family-sized Cheerios. If I get 2 boxes, I can clip a coupon for $1. So I stock up when I get Cheerios so I can save that $1. So this will last us a while. I got some syrup. My kids love pancakes and waffles, so had to get some syrup. And I get this sugar-free one. We really like it. It's nice and light. Some sugar-free chocolate pudding, great little dessert. Some oatmeal. One of my kids is kind of on an oatmeal kick right now for these. He does these little packets. Blueberries, strawberries. We do a lot of fruit. I got a big milk this week because we've been doing a lot of smoothies and protein shakes along with our milk with dinners. This is my husband's almond milk for his smoothies. My husband wanted sweet potatoes this week, and these are the biggest sweet potatoes I have ever seen in my life. They are so huge. They're crazy. So definitely going to have leftovers, and I'm going to have to find another recipe for these because I was only going to make them one night, but they're so big. I'm going to be able to do 2 different things with them for sure. And here's the avocados. We go through a lot of avocados with our eggs. My kids do avocado with their dinner quite often. Some carb balance. These are little tortillas. This is the fajita. It's like a little taco size. But we like this carb balance one. This is 1 carb and 40 calories per tortilla. So super low carb. Bananas. I have a squash and a zucchini. Some sandwich thins for my husband's sandwiches. A ranch seasoning packet. I'm going to do a chicken bacon ranch chicken sandwiches in the crock pot. So I have some ranch seasoning. And then I just always keep this chili seasoning in stock in my pantry in case I want to put together some chili real quick. I have a sausage. This sausage is great. My kids love it. It's super easy. So it's great for a nice, easy, quick dinner. It's great with sheet pan meals as well. Some Brussels sprouts, some green beans, lots of veggies this week. I got 2 things of yogurt. I got 2 things of cottage cheese. One of my kids is on a cottage cheese kick, and I didn't even get any cottage cheese last week because he gobbled it all up. So 2 of those this week. I love it. It's high in protein, delicious. So we've been going through the cottage cheese lately. Some sour cream. I'm going to do a dip this weekend. We're going to a party. I'm going to do a dip and then another appetizer as well. I'll have that on my meal plan. I'll share with you in a minute. Some plain yogurt. I like to put this in my smoothies. Some taco shells. I needed to stock up on the pantry. Some diced green chilies. That's going to go in this dip that I'm making along with, I have 2 cans of corn. So it's going to be a corn dip. It'll be delicious. One of my favorites. Black beans. Always have to stock up on black beans. My husband eats a ton of them in burritos and burrito bowls. Some cream of chicken soup. I needed one for the pantry for sure because I like to always make sure we have one. Some edamame, one of my favorite snacks, a great veggie side if we're doing a super quick dinner. But I just love edamame, and so easy, just steams in this bag. Some shredded cheddar cheese and some sliced cheddar cheese. Some spinach. I'm going to do some green muffins for one of my kids requested green muffins. They absolutely love them. I make them in the blender, and tons of spinach are in them, and they're super healthy. And so I, of course, whenever they want spinach muffins or green muffins, what we call them, I must make them. So I got a lot of chicken this week. I got drumsticks we're gonna do. I got 2 packs of chicken breasts because we went through a lot last week. And then I got some chicken thighs as well. I don't get chicken thighs all that often, but we love them. So I just got all the chicken this week. I got these pancake on a stick. My kids absolutely love these. And I only get them when we go on like a little road trip or go somewhere super early in the morning in the car. So I heat these up and wrap them in foil so that they stay warm and they're not messy, and my kids absolutely love them. So it's a treat for them when we go on a little early morning car ride. So stocked up on these. Some frozen meatballs. My kids, they would eat frozen meatball recipes every day of the week if I let them. Some whole wheat pasta. Definitely I always choose whole wheat when I get pastas. Back here, some whole wheat Ritz crackers. We were out and I put them sometimes in my kids' lunches, so needed some of these. This electrolyte mix, if you've been around my channel, you see I get these quite often. This is the mixed berry and it has extra electrolytes in here, vitamin Bs. So it's really, really good. You just put a little squirt in your water and just makes your water taste delicious. Graham crackers, my kids love them for dessert. If they eat a good dinner, they'll have a graham cracker. Popcorn, we go through a lot of popcorn as snacks. And then tortilla chips for that corn dip I'm going to be making later this week. So that's the groceries, everything that we're having. My counter is totally full. Got a lot of food this week for $199. So let me share with you my meal plan that I have written in my meal planning book that you see every week that I absolutely love. So I'm going to be doing some crock pot chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. We'll do a side of salad for that night. I'm gonna do drumsticks and veggies on Tuesday. I'm gonna do a sheet pan sausage and sweet potatoes on Wednesday. Crock pot chicken thighs and potatoes on Thursday. We're gonna do a pizza night. I got pizza last week that we didn't eat, a frozen pizza. I'm gonna do a corn dip and a pizza pull apart bread on Saturday for a party that we're going to. And then Sunday we'll do barbecue chicken and zucchini. So that is the meal plan for this week and all of the groceries. I hope that this gave you some motivation to do some meal planning for yourself and your family. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I share with you every week our grocery haul, and I share with you our meal plan as well, and then all of our recipes that we have throughout the week. So I hope that you subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Well, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.